It's just the weight of the world. When your heart's heavy, I will lift it for you. Don't give up, because you want to be heard. If silence keeps you, I will break it for you. Everybody wants to be understood. Well,
In my opinion, the best part of the LGBTQ family is that there's a sense of unity and a place to be yourself, and also a place to be safe. People have things in common with me. Where do I see the LGBTQIA community in 5 years? Well, I'm not really sure, but I'd like to see the community accepted by more individuals in same-sex marriage in all 50 states.
you are
Being part of the LGBTQIA community has definitely made me a stronger person. Just the fact that knowing that there are people out there for me and understand what I'm going through is very comforting.
It's just
The hardest part about being lesbian, I think, is when straight guys don't understand or believe me. Sometimes some of them can be very closed-minded.
I'll be there to find you. Don't give up, because you want to burn bright. If darkness blinds you, I will shine to guide you. Everybody wants to be understood. Well, I can hear you.
I support the LGBT community because I was raised to be accepting and open-minded. I believe in rights for all individuals regardless of gender or sexuality. Also, being Jewish, I have faced a lot of issues with people who try to convert me because I'm Jewish and they want me to be Christian. I am an ally in the GSA, and when I joined, I found that the group was really accepting and great, and I made a lot of good friends.
Don't give up. It's just the weight of the world. Don't give up. Everyone needs to be
For more information about the event, log on to www.dayofsilence.org. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day with the event. And what are you guys going to be silent for?